If you're like many business owners, you might feel a little let down by your current IT provider. If they were honest, the sales meeting would have gone something like this. Oh yes, our response times are usually pretty slow. You'll be talking to a different technician each time you call. And you'll have frequent, unpredictable and unplanned costs. Please sign here. Of course, you wouldn't sign up for that. If this doesn't sound familiar, you can go ahead and pause this video. Oh, you're still here? That's unfortunately no surprise, since those are the three challenges that come up over and over and over again when we're speaking with a potential client. So, can you guess where we spend most of our time? We focus on building world-class response times, ensuring our technicians know your business technology inside and out. No technician amnesia here. And we work with you to build a technology roadmap, so you know exactly when to expect investments necessary for your business. We believe service matters and we listen to our customers. It never hurts to get a second opinion. Reach out today and let's chat.